Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, has been a concept since the 1950s and has since developed into something people use in their everyday lives, with personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. What is AI, you may be asking? Well, AI, as the name suggests, is human intelligence programmed into machines, allowing the machines to perform human-like tasks and learn from mistakes. They began as thinking machines and have evolved into something that could eventually become smarter than humans. You're probably feeling amazed and scared. Don't worry, we are too. Let's confront some of those feelings and find out how this technology actually works. So, AI is created by software engineers, incorporating a vast amount of data, fast processing rates, and complicated algorithms. This results in the software being able to automatically learn from particular patterns in the data and from experience. Some obvious benefits of AI are that they make fewer errors and can efficiently perform monotonous and simple tasks like data entry, but there are some clear disadvantages too. For example, AI has difficulty understanding abstract concepts, lacks creativity, and its use will decrease job prospects. There is one particular issue that stands out concerning AI, and that is the issue of bias. Human biases are programmed into the AI system, usually due to unrepresentative datasets. When dealing with humans, the datasets overrepresent majorities, mainly Caucasian males, and underrepresent minorities. It's not that the developers are purposely programming human bias into AI algorithms, but the data available does reflect human bias. There is also the possibility that bias is placed more knowingly, but likely not for racist or sexist reasons. For example, companies are aware that their consumer market consists mainly of white males, so they focus their product development around this audience. But this means they are neglecting the needs and inclusion of females and people of color. The effects of these biases can be detrimental because of the racial and gender prejudices and stereotypes that are enforced. Researchers from MIT Media Labs have found that facial recognition in AI, being sold by Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM, works significantly better on males than females. When looking at the facial recognition error rates in light-skinned males, it's 1%, compared to the huge 35% error rate in darker-skinned females. If AI technology is meant to make all our lives easier, this could only be the result of programmed bias. In 2015, the image recognition AI used by Google Photos was recognizing people of color as gorillas. Google decided that all that was needed to deal with this issue was to remove the gorilla search tag, rather than improve the facial recognition for people of color. This emphasizes the pressing issue of racism that is getting programmed into AI technology, and how this bias can be a huge problem in targeting people based on race. Solving the racial bias is not as simple as removing the search tag gorilla. As well as facial recognition, Siri and Alexa are probably the first to come to mind when it comes to accessible AI, and funnily enough, both of these personas are automatically set to female. A study recently performed by UNESCO found that female AI is reinforcing damaging gender stereotypes. Users of these virtual assistants can view the AI technology as submissive, compliant housemates, and they can condition users to generalize these perceptions to women. These issues are further perpetuated as AI technology lacks proper safeguarding against verbal abuse and slurs. For example, when Siri is called a slut, she'll reply, "I'd blush if I could." And when told to make a sandwich for you, she says, "I can't, I don't have any condiments." Responses like these are contributing to the gender stereotypes in society, making it seem acceptable to degrade women or AI technology with female voices. How does AI technology need to change so that it can more positively impact society? Regulations and regular screening procedures need to be put in place to prevent these programming of biases into AI systems. Use of gender and ethnically ambiguous names and voices for AI systems such as Q, a genderless AI assistant being produced by Virtue Nordic, could be used. Also, to prevent bias from continuing to ingrain our AI systems, racial and gender diversity in the programmers creating the algorithms need to be present. Employing women and people of minority groups will make AI technology more accessible to everyone, not just white males.